What's up, goats? So today is gonna be a daily vlog. I'm gonna go down to my mechanic. I recently just got a new transmission put into the car, so I gotta take it down to him so he can take a look at it, make sure everything is good. Also, he's gonna check my ABS sensor because my slip light and my VDS light is still on. So he's gonna take a look at all that for me, tell me what's going on. He's gonna put it on the system, and then we're gonna check it. Yeah, last time we did a couple runs. Baby, she running good, you already know. So let's head down to AIO, see what they saying, check it out. Also, he's putting a wing on his car. So let me show y'all real quick. So right now he's wingless. So we're gonna go over to the body shop, have them insert some wings, well, insert some holes for the wing to make it look a lot better. Because the appearance
looking like a V6 right now.
Look at it, look at it.
Got the spoiler on. OEM, you know what I'm saying? You see it? You see it?
Hey man, got the wing,
you see
matching the wheels, yo.
You see it?
That's crazy. Bro, let's hear something, man. Let me hear a little something. Okay. That thing a little girthy. I don't know what y'all talking about. That thing sound a little good. It sound a little good. Don't tell them I said that though. Y'all ready? All right, we out. Yeah, every time I gotta go somewhere, like, it's always traffic, yo. Like, why can't it be a good day? And I'm not gonna lie to y'all, today feels good, yo. Like, good. Like, it's a good ass day. Y'all can see. But yeah, for right now, we dealing with this traffic. But yeah, right now we just dealing with this traffic as we go. Today, I can already tell today's gonna be a good day. I don't know why I feel so good. I feel good. Oh my God, I feel good. But yeah, man, what I wanna do a photo shoot with my car. I don't know, I can't find nobody that's willing to do a photo shoot, but it's not their fault, it's my fault, because a couple people asked me to do a photo shoot, but the problem with me is my front end is not done, and I feel like the car just looks nasty without the front end. So I don't know if I should do a photo shoot or if I shouldn't, but I think I'm gonna do the photo shoot just to like shoot my progress, see where the car is at. And sometimes in the video, in the pictures, you can't really see like the front end. So I don't know, I'll figure that shit out. But the new transmission is in now, so the car is good, it's running smoothly. But like I said, I still have all those lights on my dash, and I'm trying to figure out what they are. So that's the main reason why we going, all those lights right there, that's the main reason why we're going down to AIO right now, just to get that situated. But yeah, new transmission already in the car, we good on that end. The next step is to just maintaining the car. I gotta put a new oil pan on there. Gotta make sure my oil is good, because I've been shooting a lot of flames. Y'all already know that Taliban tune is treating me nice. Alright, so I just got down to AIO. Right now, he's just basically doing a diagnostics on the car just to see what's going on with it. He did get a fair share of what's going on so far. So basically what my issue was, the steering angle was not reset after I did my alignment. So he's just using the computer just to reset it, just so that I can get my slip and VDS light off. Once I do that, then I can finally catch traction again. But yeah, as you guys can see, codes are clear. So since the codes are clear, I'm gonna take the car for a rip now, see if the lights come back on, because as soon as I start driving, anything over, I think it's 20 miles per hour, the light come back on. So we're gonna do that, see if it comes back on, and if it do, we come back. Alright, so the deeper we look into it, the more complicated it gets. So it's not engine oil, it's not transmission. So the only other thing that it could be is the power steering. My power steering has never leaked. I have no problem with my steering. Everything is good when it comes to my steering. So now we got his car in. He's about to put his spoiler on. So he literally got the spoiler like 3 months ago. He got it from RT John with the Daytona J. So now AIO is just gonna install that spoiler for him. Should be easy, it's just easy install. Yeah, bro, that shit different.
What?
Alright guys, so I just got back to the crib and the only light that really came back onto the car was my TPMS sensor. As you guys seen, I was driving like a nut all the way back home, shooting flames and everything. Today was a short day. Again, mission was accomplished. The whole reason for me going down to AIO was to seeing why those lights was on, the slip light and also the VDS light. So got that fixed. We still haven't figured out the reason why or what is leaking from my car, so I have to bring the car back down to AIO on Monday for them to check that out. But yeah, again, that problem with the slip light and everything, that's fixed. Next problem is fixing the leakage of that oil. I don't know if that's engine oil, transmission oil, whatever the case may be. We came down to the conclusion that it's the power steering, but again, could be completely wrong. But yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it for the video. I know that I was like in the midst of showing you guys John, our Poetic Wave, installing his spoiler. I forgot to get the final clips, but the car looked dope after the spoiler was inserted. And you guys definitely gonna see more of that car in the future on this channel. But if you guys like this video, you know what to do. Go downstairs, hit that like button. Don't forget to comment and subscribe if you haven't already. And also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at DiversDJ. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Peace.